So yesterday, I took the time with my wife and we drained the whole tank, 20,000 liters, caught all of the fish, you can see right over there, and put them in that little tank you see over there on the corner, and then cleaned this whole tank out because it was horrible and it had that mud from the one time that the pump broke. So we wanted to clean it out. And now I figured before the first feeding after returning them to the tank, I'd show you guys how it looks. This is how it was supposed to look. You can see the fish moving around there. They're all waiting for me to feed them. See? Most of them are doing pretty good. Size-wise, health-wise. I'm surprised because we stressed we stressed them out a lot yesterday catching them to put them in the other tank. But yeah, they look nice. And we have a problem with the electricity today, so the pumps aren't working like they're supposed to. But hopefully that'll fix itself in a couple hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and feed them and tape that so you can watch. There we go. There we go. The frenzy just starts out with a little bit. Look over there. That gets nuts. I think it looks really good with the sunlight hitting the water. It looks really, really, really sparkling. Okay, so this quantity of food, they take about 10 to 15 minutes to eat. I'm not going to film the whole thing because that'll take too long. As you can see, they're happily consuming and growing bigger. All right, happy Saturday, everybody.